Hello. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Shark NV752 Rotator-powered lift-away TruePet upright vacuum, a premium vacuum designed to make pet hair removal and home cleaning effortless. Engineered with pet owners in mind, this vacuum combines power, versatility, and smart design to deliver professional-level results in every corner of your home. The Shark NV752 features powered lift-away technology, allowing you to detach the canister for portable cleaning of stairs, upholstery, and hard-to-reach areas. Its TruePet motorized brush is specially designed to lift and remove embedded pet hair from carpets and furniture, while the HEPA filter traps 99.9% of dust, allergens, and dander, keeping your home cleaner and healthier. This model comes with a large dust cup capacity, reducing the need for frequent emptying. LED headlights illuminate hidden debris under furniture and in dark corners, ensuring no dirt is left behind. The vacuum also includes an upholstery tool, crevice tool, and perfect pet power brush, providing specialized attachments for thorough cleaning of furniture, stairs, and tight spaces. With its Bordeaux finish, the Shark NV752 looks as good as it performs. The upright design is easy to maneuver on both carpets and hard floors, while the lift-away canister adds flexibility for multi-surface cleaning. Whether you're tackling stubborn pet hair, everyday dirt, or hard-to-reach dust, this vacuum delivers reliable performance for a spotless home. If you're looking for a vacuum that combines power, versatility, and specialized pet hair solutions, the Shark NV752 Rotator TruePet Upright Vacuum is your ultimate cleaning companion. Click the Amazon link below to get yours today, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of top home cleaning solutions.